Most people drop their IUL policies before they benefit. Agents love selling these policies because they're high commissions. Even real estate. Build real wealth. Stop wasting your money on fees. Grow your money on proven investments. I'm looking for leaders, by the way. Join my team. If you're serious about a money-making opportunity, 5 reasons to never ever buy an IUL policy. Do this instead. Oh, and by the way, congratulations on being here again today, getting educated, get your financial knowledge instead of debating strangers on Facebook or watching 5 hours of DIY home improvement videos you'll never actually do. Before we jump in though, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any more money-making wisdom. Let's do it now. So what is an indexed universal life policy anyways, and why is it a bad idea? It's one of the most misleading financial products on the market today. It's sold as a magic combo of life insurance plus investing, where you can supposedly grow your money while being protected. Sounds amazing, right? Except it's full of hidden fees, unrealistic expectations, and straight up financial traps. Let's break it down. 5 biggest reasons you should never buy this type of policy. And if you got one, make sure you call me. Reason 1, the returns are a lie. IUL salespeople love to throw out the big numbers. Your cash value is tied to the stock market, so you'll get market-like returns without the risk. Wrong. The S&P 500 has averaged over 10% annual returns for the last 100 years. But in an IUL, you're capped about 6 to 8% max, meaning you don't get the full growth of the market. Meanwhile, you're still paying fees, which means your actual returns might be like 3 to 5% after all said and done. So let me ask you, would you rather have 10% growth in a real investment or a watered down 3 to 5% return in an IUL while paying ridiculous fees? Reason 2, the fees will eat you alive. IULs are stuffed with fees like a Thanksgiving turkey. And the worst part, most people have no idea how much they're paying. Here's a quick breakdown. Some of the hidden fees include premium expense charges 3 to 6%, mortality and administrative fees, cost of insurance fees, and by the way, they increase every year. Surrender charges if you try to cancel early, sometimes lasting up to 15 years. These fees add up so fast and they never stop, even when the market does well. You're still losing money to fees that the insurance company is very happy to collect. Number 3, you can lose money even in a good market. Here's the catch. They don't tell you even though an IUL is linked to the market, it doesn't actually invest in the market. If the market is up 20%, you might only get 6% because of caps. If the market is down 10%, you don't lose money, but you still have to pay your policy fees. That means in a bad year, you still lose money due to fees. So what's the point of indexing your money to the market if you can't fully participate in the gains and still have to pay fees in the losses? Would you ever sign up for a gym that lets you partially use the equipment but still charges you full price? Never. Reason 4, the policy becomes too expensive over time. This one's brutal. An IUL gets more expensive the older you get. Why? Because the cost of insurance, COI, increases every year. I bet you didn't know that. It's annual renewable term insurance. When you're young, the fees might seem small, but by the time you hit 50s or 60s, those charges skyrocket. Many people get blindsided by increasing costs and have to cancel their policy later on because they still need the life insurance. That's like paying into a retirement plan for 20 years and then getting kicked out right before you retire. Kind of bullshit, if you ask me. Reason 5, most people drop their IUL policies before they benefit. Here's a dirty little secret of the insurance industry. 85 to 90% of people cancel their IUL policies before they ever see a benefit. Well, look, why? The premiums become unaffordable. The fees eat up their cash value, and they realize it's a terrible deal and cut their losses. The insurance company knows this, which is why they push IULs so hard. They collect years of high premiums, pocket the profits when people eventually cancel. Would you ever invest in something where 9 out of 10 people never see a return? And just remember, the Agents love selling these policies because they're high commissions. So what's the better alternative? Term plus real investments. So what should you do instead? Simple. Buy term, invest the difference. Get 10 to 20 times your income in coverage at the fraction of what an IUL will cost you. Put the money into a Roth IRA, index fund, whatever, right? Even real estate. Build real wealth. Stop wasting your money on fees. Grow your money on proven investments. Think about it. 500,000 IUL cost you $500 to $800 a month. 500,000 term, just like $30 to $50 a month. Invest the extra 500. 30 years, you could have 1.5 million. Which one sounds better? I'm looking for leaders, by the way. Join my team. If you're serious about a money-making opportunity while also helping others. I've been in the financial services for about 30 years, and I'm personally training people right now for free. If you want to build a real business, DM me now or drop a comment below. Let's talk. Let's have a conversation. 15-minute Zoom, man. Me and you. Let's do it. Bottom line, IULs are a trap. They sound good on paper, but they're built to make the insurance companies rich. And by the way, if this video helped you, drop a motivational word in the comments, something like freedom or wealth or something like that. I don't know. Just let me know that you're serious about your financial future. And let's build a relationship. Let's help each other. Let's do some great things together. And by the way, also, check out my book, 11 Universal Laws to Building Financial Freedom, Wealth on the Beach. Also, remember, the goal isn't just to make money. It's to keep it. Don't let hidden fees and bad policies steal your wealth. Don't ever do it. Hit that like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Dream big. Do it now. Thank you for watching our short clips on Alonzo Academy. If you'd like to watch the next short clip, click here.